So anyway, a lot of you have seen the Maverick in a video that I posted, just pretty much putting the hood on. But what you ain't seen is the condition of it. If you're new to the channel, then this will be a update video. We basically did much progress to it. We pulled the rear end out of it, and you can go back and watch the Maverick playlist on my channel. If you want to see more of this car, we actually took a tractor, yanked it out of the woods, and we brought it here. There's a few videos of content on this car. There's tons more coming, and I enjoy every bit of your feedback. So let's just jump into the video, go over the condition of this car, and you can get a better idea of what we got to build with. So the hood is kind of hard to get on and off, so I will show you the best I can in this video through the hood scoops and underneath. But this is the passenger side. This is the fender we're working with. And it's pretty solid. There ain't no rust underneath through here, or even underneath the fenders here. We got a little surface rust, but nothing that's eat through, and nothing that's been repaired, you know, back in the day. All the boxes and everything just needs cleaned up. We do got the little rust where the battery tray is, but that's quite common. All the suspension needs completely redone. Walker panels on these cars, I do believe, is galvanized, so I doubt you would see walker panels rusted. The lower door here is rusted out, but this is easy to make. I make these almost daily anymore. Patches like this is easy to make and build back. You don't even have to buy this part. A man can make it. That door still opens and closes extremely good. It makes me smile every time I close that door. We got quake windows. They froze on both sides. They don't work. I have no floorboard, and I don't want to step in it because I got these on. What kind of shoes you wear? It's missing this. I think something goes here. I don't know, but I'll probably build me a custom box here out of diamond plate and probably powder coat it, or sheet metal. I might make me a custom fiberglass one. That would be nice. It's got the Maverick emblem on it. The rearview mirror is hanging there. That door is locked, so we have to step in the car and try not to go through the floorboards and open this up. I forgot how. You know, this door worked, and then I brought it home, and then the latch messed up. Let's see, what's that button at? Let's see. Let's go this way. Nope. Here it is. I think that unlocks it. Nope. Is this it? Up. Huh. Trust me, the door does open. It just, I forgot how to open it. I had it open several times. Somehow that switch is locking or froze, and it needs WD-40. It's old. Seat belts. Here they are. They still seat belt. That's the inside the trunk, solid. Got some surface rust, but nothing major. That ain't major. You can buy this for a Mustang. Let me step out of this. Ooh. Oh. The other door closes just as good, but I can't show you. Quarter panel solid. I might actually flare these out a little bit, what I'm thinking about. I ain't did it on a car in a long time. But taking and just so I can fit a little bit of a wider tire under it. You know, widen the front right here. I'm not sure. This is gone. Pretty bad. And that will be a pain to build. Not too bad if you got an English wheel or some thin metal you can bend with your knee. I mean, it's lower down. It's a lower down patch, so should be good. This is killed. Now, you could hammer and dolly this and spend hours fixing that lower valance, or we could modify the back end of this car, make our own valance, maybe put the Chevy GT Mustang lights in it, like in the Gone in 60 Seconds cars, would look really nice, and do a flip style, you know, license plate right here, because I really want to shave this. I want this gone, because I like to have the Mustang GT500 gas cap somewhere here, but I don't know, I might leave it stock. You know, these are all pretty cars stock, but I don't know, I'm just not a, I like to modify stuff. This quarter is in the same shape as the other one, but eat out a little bit higher. And right here, that's another reason I want to build fender, come out with a fender flare, because we could bend this and then come out, patch out at. This door here's got a bend. It is locked. Oh, that might be why that thing is down in there. But it's solid up here, underneath here, just as solid. Looks good. Suspension is killed. Floorboards is gone. Inside, you know, it's expected. It needs a master cylinder, brake lines. You know, it's a project. It's not drivable, and it's not going to be an engine and transmission drivable because we ain't got a wheel in. But I do got an 8.8, and everyone commented. I'm going to use the 8.8. I'll show you the 8.8 in just a second. Inside the trunk, you see, this is just not bolted on. This actually came from Texas, this trunk lid. Getting parts all over the place for this little Maverick. But yeah, it's solid. I personally think it's solid. A lot of people would junk his car, but at the end of the day, this ain't junk to, well, that's the Camaro. This ain't junk to me. This car's pretty solid. You know, not even the Chevelle out here is junk, or the other Chevelle. See the Chevelle? Told you it was Chevelle. I'll go show you the 8.8. That's what we're doing right now anyway, ain't it? Just walking, talking, giving you some updates on the Maverick, showing you what we got to work with. Chevelle. Floppy seconds Chevelle, because we're using parts from that Chevelle that's got all new sheet metal, by the way, sitting in the building. Project coming very soon. Actually gonna get a rotisserie probably and put it on it. But we got all AMD stuff. I say 99.8%. If AMD sold it, we bought it for that car. This is parts from a G-body duct track car. The frame is. Some blue Chevelle. And some orange Chevelle. And some of that gray Chevelle. And some S10 parts tossed in. We're in. Also out of a duct track car. Got it for this Chevelle. Not to run, just to roll around on. We need to do a video of putting it in. And it's got an axle vent. Go figure. The duct track car, what do you expect? So I done videos of this car. Don't mind the junk inside of it. We just go past that. Don't mind the junk in that. We go past that too. 8.8 ain't here, I moved it. But anyway, since everybody seems to be a Ford fan on my channel, I'm looking at you. You know, me being a GM guy. We got a Mustang too that's been needing to be built for a long time. Yeah, I want to do a fastback conversion on it, but the more I think about it, the style of these coupes is just growing on me, and my pockets is getting more empty the more projects I buy. So the conversion kit for this comes with most of the sheet metal and everything. But you know, we could buy just regular coupe stuff and be a coupe. Build playlist on the channel too. 6.0 built. We need to get a gear for it. It's already been shortened down and welded. The other cars is at the shop. The other cars that you ain't seen in a while is at the Field of Dreams, which is at Matt's place. Wow, you know, most people own, what was it? I seen a meme of that. Most people own 8 cars in their lifetime. You know, it ain't uncommon up for me or Matt or some of my friends own 8 cars a month. Just so you know. They train junking them, scrapping them, using them for parts, building them, trading them. How many cars you own in a month? No, one? Like I can't say I didn't buy a car this month, because I bought one today. I was going to say I ain't bought a car this month. I'm doing good. No, I bought one. And last month I bought that Mazda. I bought this. Was it a good investment? I don't know. It was affordable and I liked it, and that's the bad thing about me. Look at here. You see this? Look. I don't know. Maybe you can see better on the back. Look at here. Can you see? Wheel. Well, it's hard to see. It's bouncy. And these struts and shocks and probably back springs. Link bars. Spray bar bushings. From just me just casually looking at it. It was affordable. Now you can drive it like it is right now. One, it makes a lot of noise because the link bars is wore out, so it knocks every time you drive it in the suspension. Two, it bounces like you on a old mattress with bed springs. You know, it bounces pretty bad, let me tell you. I'm stubborn. I don't want to put struts and stuff on it because I like the little car. Look at it. We can make that sporty. And it's supposed to have been a 2.0. I see it says 2.3 now. I don't know if that's just somebody stuck at though, if it's 2.3 car. I don't even look at miles when I buy this stuff. Comment below. I liking the ideas of just sticking with 8.8. I do. I like some of the other ideas with the builds and the engines. That's supposed to be, you know, supposed to be pretty good. Maybe we go with a 351 Windsor. Or a 302. Is it 302? 302 Windsor, and it was a 302 modified. I ain't a Ford guy. I'm a GM. Like, I was going to stick LS in this, but we could just go small block Ford. Maybe stroke it out. We got a machine shop opening up soon. If you ain't seen the videos of that, check it out in the description below. Also got an eBay store if you want to show some little extra support. And, you know, if you want to, money's hard to come by. Check out my eBay store. Might be something you're interested in buying. We list all kinds of stuff on our tools, parts, toys, trains. Do you like HO trains? I do. See you next time. Thanks for watching.